Hi everyone, welcome to Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael, and here with me is Chef Kevin. And today we're showing you how to make some amazing foods right there at home. So Chef Kevin, what are we doing today?
We're doing a variation of a Thai soup called Tom Yum. It's a coconut lime, chicken, and crab soup.
Oh, that sounds
so
interesting.
yeah.
Okay.
So I've got the wok hot right here.
All right.
Do you want to go ahead and throw that diced chicken breast meat in here first?
All right.
That's the first thing we have to cook.
All right, there we go. There, I'll get it in there. There you go.
Yeah.
Now, where did you come up with this idea from?
I really like Thai food, and this is one of my favorite soups. The thing about this soup is you have all kind of different ingredients, different things that the Thais like to eat. Like you have sour from the lime juice,
Okay.
you have salty from the fish sauce, you have ginger in there.
Excellent.
We've got cilantro and scallions in there to keep it nice and fresh.
Okay.
And this is a kind of soup that is just pretty easy to make. And you want to have the, like I said, the sour, the salty, and the sweet from the coconut in there as well.
Okay. All right.
So as soon as this chicken is cooked, we're going to drain it out, and then you're going to add some of the other things to it for me, okay?
Sounds good. Now, can you tell me a little bit about the fish sauce? I've never worked with that before.
Yeah. Why don't you go ahead and take a smell of that fish sauce? Okay. If you like anchovies, you'll really like that fish sauce.
Yeah. That is a very strong smell.
It's very strong. It's very strong. You don't want to spill it on your carpet or get it in your car or anything like that, because it's not going to come out of there. You could make this soup simply with crab and shrimp instead of chicken if you wanted. But we're going to go. I like the combination of the chicken and the crab together.
Excellent.
So we're going to go ahead and drain the fat off of this.
Chicken right back
to
in.
the soup.
All right.
If the fat's gone from it. You want to pass me that ginger, Josh, please?
Ginger.
Yeah.
All right, just throw it on in there.
Just, we're going to put like half in there for me.
All right, got half of it.
We'll saute the ginger up a little bit to develop some of the flavor from that.
Mushrooms?
And go ahead, throw those mushrooms in there. Go ahead, dump the chicken broth in there. And half the coconut milk we'll put in there as well. Lime juice is going in there as well.
Excellent, and that's that fish sauce.
Fish sauce
it's a very
goes in there.
interesting smell.
And then I'm going to bring this to the boil. And then we'll garnish it. We'll go ahead and put half the cilantro, scallions in there, and half the cilantro in there.
All right. And cilantro. That looks
Half the crab meat in there, please.
All right.
And that's it.
There you go. I'm telling you, smells absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com. See you next time.
Thanks. Enjoy.